show you that later. So today I've got my bazooka with me, my 100 to 400 lens, and the EM1 Mark II, and I'm at Lake Gillawana again. I don't know where the hell all the bin chickens went. This place used to be full of bin chickens, but there's heaps of cockies, even around my house. Jerry, look. So let's try this. Jerry, very hot, Jerry. Wait. Nice and cold now, Jerry. You have a drink. Jerry has a drink. Bloody hot. Come on, Jerry. Let's go find the birdies. Where's the birdie? Jerry, go find the birdie. That's why I brought you. You're the hunting dog, Jerry, for the birdies. You go scout them out. Well, if you can't get birds today, what about these bloody dragonflies? I'll need a super fast shutter speed. No chance. No chance, Jerry. Unless they hover somewhere. This one's hovering. Let's see if I can zoom in. I can't believe I got it. Jerry, I got it. Oh, nearly got him, Jerry, nearly got him. Stay still, you little cheeky bum. I wonder if the OM1 has dragonfly detect. Probably not. Come on, Jerry, that was a waste of time. There's nothing here, Jerry. Jerry, we go this way. Oi. You think there's something better over that way? Jerry, you know, you've got the nose, Jerry. You're the scout. Bloody planes everywhere. Jerry, look. There's a family of ducks, wood ducks. No, I'm sick of wood ducks. Jerry, there's nothing here, Jerry. Ah, well, you go for a nice walk. Jerry, look, there's a nice composition. Maybe shooting into the sun a bit. Let's see, I like that. There you go, Jerry. I got a portrait, landscape. When in doubt, Jerry, you do a silhouette. That's a nice silhouette there of those E-crane, whatever they're called. There you go, mate. I'll take a photo. Okay, yes, before anyone kicks the TV screen, I know you don't bring dogs when you go birding, Jerry. What are you? You're not allowed here, Jerry, because you're always running off and you're always tugging. Yeah, so I know. I mean, I don't know why I bring Jerry on these days, where she's just like very. You need all the concentration you can with bloody birding. Like there's a classic right there. Just missed it. I mean, there's another one. Beautiful. You see that, Jerry? Oi! You made me miss it, Jerry. It's all your fault. Hey, Jerry. No, it's not your fault, Jerry. It's my fault. Yeah, so anyway, while I'm here and Jerry's calmed down a bit, it's not ideal. I don't know. I just like bringing Jerry with me for the video. You need all the concentration you can to capture flying birds, especially with the EM1 when you don't have the AI helping you or autofocus. I mean, but I like that. I like the challenge. Jerry, be careful. I like the challenge. I like the challenge of the EM1 Mark II with the autofocus. Now, who am I kidding? I need all the help I can get. Huh? Yes, I know it's hot, Jerry. But that's what you got to do, Jerry. You got to sit here and wait. No chance. Because I was at 320 speed. Dumbass. Alright, I'm going to put it up to 2000 speed, ISO 1000. That's the best I can get. Probably 1600 speed. I'm at F5 at 100 and 6.3, but then the ISO jumps up to 2500. So that's the problem, Jerry. Not enough bloody light. That's why I guess those F4 continuous ones are like big bazookas, like bigger bazooka than this.